Okay students, just you see, yesterday I taught you about the types of computer based on principle. Today we will discuss about the based on application, and I think this is the last topic of chapter 1. Okay, so you can see a based on application. Okay, there are 4 types of computer based on application. Number 1, microcomputer. You can see here. Number 2, mini computer. Number 3, mainframe computer. Number 4, supercomputer. So on the basis of application, the computers are categorized on 4 parts. Number 1, microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. You can see here the microcomputer has 4 types: PC, laptop, tablet, embed and handheld. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the macrocomputer. As we will start the comparing among these 4 types of computer, it has the smallest size, it has size larger than the macrocomputer, it is larger than the mini computer, and it is the largest computer. Okay, it is used at home. Just you have seen the PC, personal computer. This is also called a microcomputer. Personal computer are smaller in size. Okay, and they can be fit on the table at home, and even they are portable. Okay, they use microprocessor, so they use microprocessor as the main processing device, so they are called microcomputer. Okay, and if we talk about this, its speed, it can handle the single user or multi user. Clear? And it is used at home, office, schools, etc. Okay. After that, in the microcomputer generally use Windows operating system, Apple operating system or Mac OS. Clear? After that, you can see here microcomputer are smaller in size. Clear? Next thing is that this is PC, name as personal computer. Okay? Microcomputer and personal computer both are same. Clear? It has a smaller in size. It can place on the table. Okay? It has keyboard, mouse, which is used to input device, and monitor, which is used for the output device. You can add so many devices with a personal computer. It requires UPS to power supply. Okay, when there is no power, it cannot work. Now we will talk about the laptop. There is a smaller in size. It is also known as notebook. Okay, and smaller in size, lighter in weight. Let me see, हल्का होता है. ठीक है. बस में you can put it in the suitcase, and even you can, if you are traveling to some other places, you can carry the laptop. Okay, and after that, laptop has inbuilt keyboard, so there is no need to attach the keyboard. It has inbuilt touchpad, which is used as a mouse. Okay, and it has chargeable battery. Chargeable battery means what? You can use it even though there is no power supply. Okay. Next is tablet. It has a smaller size than the laptop. Okay. Tablets has no keyboard, no mouse. It has touch screen to see the output and to input the data. Both can be done with the touch screen. Here this is tablet. Okay. बस में समझ में आया? And tablet is a small device. Clear? And handheld computer, that means you have seen the smartphone. Nowadays smartphones are called the handheld device. ठीक है, handheld computer, because it can be put on the palm and can work on this. ठीक है, with some smartphones, a stylus also come, which is used to select some icons, which is used to put some data on it. Okay, embedded computer. I think you must this is also a type of computer. You must have seen the AC. You must have seen the microwaves. On some appliances, some computing devices are embedded already. Clear? That devices are called embedded computer. Okay. So there are so many devices on which electrical appliances on which computing devices embedded have been installed on this, which is used for computing that. Okay. So for example, on AC you can see the digital representation, on microwaves, and there are so many other devices. Okay. Next we talk about the mini computer, and we start the compare microcomputer and mini computer. It has smaller in size, it has larger than the microcomputer. Okay, its speed is slow, its speed is faster than the microcomputer. It can use single user, it can use multiple user. Okay, and you can see here the mini computers are costlier, is larger in size and having high processing speed than the microcomputer. Okay, and its speed is measured in million instruction per second, MIPS, million instruction per second. Clear? That means it is a multi-user operating multi-user device. Clear? That means more than one user can work at a time. Okay, and multitasking. Okay, and generally mini computers are used as web server. Web server means the small server which is used to store the web pages and which can be accessed from any places. Okay, and web server can be accessed by the multiple user to see the web pages. Okay, after that, mini computers are mostly used by the small institute, educational institute, and the industries which have the very small scale use. Okay, and it has high capability and configuration. Configuration means what? It has hardware configuration. Okay, now we will talk about the mainframe computer. This is the third type of computer. Now we will compare about the mini computer and the mainframe computer. It has smaller in size, but mainframe computers are larger than the mini computer. And mainframe computers are costlier than the mini computer. Mainframe computer have high processing speed than the mini computer, and it occupies large space. Large space means what? You need about one room to adjust this computer. Clear? And its speed is measured in trillion instruction per second. Trillion instruction per second, and it is used as the main server. Main server means what? Just you have listened the name of SBI. SBI has a branch all over India, but it has a single server which handles all the branches. So SBI has the main server, LIC has the main server, Railway has the main server. So in this way we can say that mainframe computers are used as the main server. Okay, and if you talk about the speed, it has its speed is very fast. Next we are coming to the supercomputer. Then supercomputer is the most fastest and powerful computer. Okay, it has very large capacity. Okay, and it is very costly. Even some countries are not able to bear the cost of supercomputer, so they used to purchase it from the neighboring countries. Okay, and only government agencies can handle the supercomputer. It has very high speed processing, very high processing speed. Clear? And it can use multiple users. Clear? And billions of, not only billion, okay, more than billion, trillion, okay, instructions can be handled by the supercomputer. And only government agencies uses this for various purposes, just like weather forecasting, defense, surveillance, and space research. Okay, aerospace. Okay, these are the use of the supercomputer. So you can say that this is the smallest, this is larger than the microcomputer, this is larger than the mini computer, this is the most largest. Its processing speed is high. It has the higher than the microcomputer, and it is higher than the mini computer, and it has the most highest speed. Okay, so you can see that here is the base types of computer based on application, and this is the last chapter. Okay, last topic of this chapter. Okay, so this chapter has totally been finished, and I have put the notes on the YouTube. So this is the lecture video. You can note down the notes from the YouTube. Okay, I have given all the notes. Okay, then students, thanks. I think you will remain safe during the COVID-19 and stay at home and keep on your studying. Okay, thank you.